Hello everyone, my name is Kiden Sylvian Sekwat. I'm from South Sudan and I'm here to present my topic. What barriers do young people face in accessing quality education? And how will you design policies to ensure more equitable learning opportunity? Before delving into the topic, please allow me to contextualize it within the realities of my country. South Sudan has the poorest education system due to prolonged, complex, weak infrastructures and chronic underfunding to education sector. Despite the progresses, millions of young people still lack access to quality education, and here are the barriers. Economic hardship, many parents cannot afford to send their children to school. Social and cultural practices like gender discrimination, child marriage, and stigma to children with disability limit the access to quality education. Recurrent conflicts and insecurity that continuously destroy schools, displacing families, makes it hard for the children to go to school. And lastly, systemic weaknesses like poor infrastructures, untrained teachers, and underfunding continues to hold the system back. And here are the policy recommendations. Free, basic, and quality education for all, and ensure that all teachers are enrolled to government salary system. Promote inclusive education and end child marriage at all costs. Improve infrastructures and rebuild rural schools. Improve quality education by hiring highly trained teachers. And lastly, increase the budget allocation to education sector to at least 15%. This way we will ensure quality education for our young generation. And remember, strong youth makes a strong nation. Thank you so much.